Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we are going to be doing a speed test comparison between Redmi Note 7 versus Honor 8X. Now Redmi Note 7 obviously has Snapdragon 660 versus Kirin 710, and this Redmi Note 7 doesn't have that 48 megapixel thing going on, but that doesn't really matter in the speed test. Let's get straight in the test guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and starting with the boot up test as always. Let's see which one boots it first. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it. And Honor 8X obviously comes with that notch display, as you can see. Let's see which one boots it first. Both phone with the brand name. Let's see. Okay, both phones taking some time. And okay, so Honor 8X just a little bit faster, but yes, it is. I mean, that's a noticeable difference. So let me quickly set this up guys, and we should start. And you can see both the phones are actually having 4 gigs of RAM. Everything is closed in the background, and starting with the phone dialer as always. Here we go. Okay, so just a little bit faster on 8X. Calendar again faster on 8X. Settings again same result. Chrome. Okay, so this is faster on Redmi Note 7. Let's try with some social apps, starting with Snapchat, faster on Note 7 this time. Twitter, I think faster on Note 7. Pinterest, neck and neck till now. Okay, so this time it's again Note 7. Instagram faster on Note 7 once again. Facebook, again a little bit faster on Note 7. So yeah guys, let's try opening some games, starting with Orbia. 3, 2, 1, and okay, a little bit faster on Redmi Note 7. Smash it. What about this? And okay, so that's like equal. That's a tough call for me. Let's open few more games guys. Let's open this Flappy Bird. And okay, so this is faster on Honor 8X. Subway Surfers. And let's see which one loads it first. Okay, so it is Redmi Note 7 and Honor 8X done, but it was faster on Redmi Note 7. Let's try opening GTA San Andreas. Here we go. And okay, so this is like clearly faster on Redmi Note 7, and actually way faster on Redmi Note 7. Honor 8X taking a lot of time over here. And yeah, okay, still taking some time. Okay, so finally done. So yeah guys, let's finally open some shopping apps, starting with Flipkart. Opened on 8X and loaded on 8X as well. Amazon, opened on 8X once again, 8X, and actually loaded on 8X as well. AliExpress, opened on 8X and loaded once again. Let's check out the RAM management guys. Here we go. Twitter refreshed on Note 7. Subway Surfers refreshed on both. GTA San Andreas refreshed on both. And okay, so Flipkart in the RAM, Amazon in the RAM, Orbia or in the RAM on both phones. So yeah guys, there we have it. So this was never like a one-sided contest guys. Snapdragon 660 really performing well in comparison to Kirin 710. Shopping wise, it was yes Honor 8X faster in opening and loading as well. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. I'll be making more videos like this. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.